Hi English learners. Do you ever say, him is my friend, or this is he book? Today, we're going to fix those pronoun mix-ups with he, him, his. Let's make your sentences sound natural and smooth. He, him, his, what's the difference? Here's the secret. It's all about job roles in the sentence. Let's meet our three pronoun superheroes. He, subject pronoun, does the action. He runs fast. He is my friend. Not, him runs fast. Nope. Him, object pronoun, receives the action. I saw him yesterday. She likes him. Not, I saw he yesterday. His, possessive adjective pronoun, shows ownership. This is his book. His dog is very cute. Not, this is he book. Think of it like this. He does the action. Him receives the action. His owns something. Example, he gave me his phone, I called him later. He does the action. His shows ownership and him receives the call. Okay, let's play a quick fix game. I'll say the sentence, and you correct it. Him is my brother. Fix, he is my brother. I gave he a gift. Fix, I gave him a gift. This is he hat. Fix, this is his hat. Great job. Remember, he does the action. Him receives the action. His owns something. Now go practice and make your sentences super smooth. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Can you write a sentence with he, him, or his? I can't wait to see them. See you next time.